Tension mounted in East Jaintia Hills district on Thursday following allegations of police action ahead of the scheduled public hearing at Ilaka Nongclear on Friday. Reports claimed that security forces resorted to the use of tear gas shells and lathi charges to disperse people and vehicles in the area, triggering allegations of coercive measures by the government to facilitate the upcoming public hearing. Critics alleged that the deployment of a heavy police force and the reported use of force reflected an aggressive approach by the authorities, raising concerns over the conduct of the administration in the run-up to the public hearing. Note: the allegations regarding the use of tear gas and lathi charge should be independently verified or attributed to the source before publication, as they are presented as claims rather than established facts.
Tahu pai duduk mesin ni akong boleh polis. Dia di natir kas pai nukan bode. Nukan bo. Pai nukan bo lah cakap mut cakap tu. So ni boleh kas. Leka polis pai. Naman be di artip sampai boleh kas. Seno nukan bo. Patun hab nukan. Anu ni nama ni. Anu ni nama ni. Anu ka? Pahabu. Mani jingla ya pulit mana wa. Mama hadu ala dekat himo ka di yang ibru. Tata angkon pulit so. No, tanya kona. Kamu jama? Ha? Senora? Senora bisa. Senora bisa nak konbo. Rani yap oh. Pai nak konbo yo reda ngam ni do lokas. Yo reda ni kena yo. Ya ana. Dek ya